Hello, beautiful people. Today we'll be making soy milk in the most unusual way, and it's absolutely delicious. You will really love to try this after watching this video. So first I'll be needing 2 cups of soybeans. I'm sure ordinarily you'd be expecting me to soak it and then wash it and then cook. But this time it's going to be something different. And this process is going to give you the most amazing taste so far. So the next thing I'm going to do now is place it in a dry frying pan. So here I'll be toasting it for a little time until it starts bringing out the beautiful scent or the very amazing aroma that tells you that the soya beans is toasted, and it will change the color a little bit from milkish to a little brown, like a golden brown kind of color. At that point, you know your soya beans is ready. So to get this done, I have to keep stirring gradually with my spatula. That is what I have to use right now. You can use whatever works for you, but please do not use a spoon, otherwise you'll be messing up your pan. Except you're using an aluminum pan, then go ahead with whatever you have at home. So here the beans is beginning to crack. If you take a close look, you find out that it's beginning to crack and it's getting done. Now that it is done, I have to pour it into the bowl. Next is to add the water. So I'll be immersing it into the water for a little while before I start scrubbing it off to remove the bark from the soybeans itself. So all I have to do is scrub. And as you can see, it's very easy to peel off because we had toasted it initially. Otherwise, we'll have to leave this for about 24 hours to make it easier to come off. So I've achieved 2 things here. I've achieved another flavor as well as made it easier to peel off the back of the soybeans by just toasting it. So after washing, we go ahead to cook it a bit until the soya beans itself is soft. Here I have dried dates. Ordinarily, it would have been better to soak it over the night or for some hours, say 8 hours, to make it soft enough to use. But since I have dried dates, the only way or the alternative for soaking the dates over for a long time is to boil it a little. But you get best results when you soak your dates. So as you can see, the dates is softer and easy to manipulate. It's very easy to blend it at this point. So we have to remove the seed from the dates so we'll not have issues blending it. Now that we are ready and the soya beans is done, next on the line is to blend. As you can see, it's quite hot, but it doesn't matter. Now the dates. Pour in some water to be a little bit above the soya beans and blend. Yeah, that is it. I know the color alone is enough to make you feel discouraged and you'll be like, where is my soya beans? Why is it so brown? Not to worry. When you strain this, you find your soya beans milk coming out the way it ought to be. Now at this point I'm straining, and as you can see the paste is not anywhere close to the color of an original or a supposed soya beans milk, but that's the soy milk there. Still looking the way it ought to be. You know, I had to do this process first before trying the next ingredients which I'll be putting into this, so that you wouldn't think that is the reason why it's turning white, because this time we're going to be introducing coconuts. And this coconut is going to give it an extra flavor and extra thickness and make it even richer. So right here we have coconuts and we have dates instead of sugar, and our soya beans, our soy milk is going to turn out extremely delicious, seriously. So that is it. It is ready to take after straining. You can refrigerate this to enjoy it. And I added one more thing to it. I had to put another dates into it. Then put it inside the refrigerator for the dates to give it this extra flavor and sweetness. So that'll be all for now. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.